everyone! Welcome to Learn with Sufia.
I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm.
I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I make my bed. I make my bed. I grab my towel. I grab my towel. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I apply my moisturizer. I apply my moisturizer. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I tie my shoelaces. I tie my shoelaces.
I pour my coffee. I pour my coffee.
I toast my bread. I toast my bread. I slice a banana. I slice a banana. I spread the butter. I spread the butter. I pack my bag. I pack my bag.
I check my phone. I check my phone.
I fill my water bottle. I fill my water bottle. I zip my jacket. I zip my jacket. I lock the door. I lock the door. I take the stairs. I take the stairs. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I tap my card. I tap my card. I find my seat. I find my seat. I look out the window. I look out the window. I plug in my earphones. I step off the bus. I step off the bus. I walk to school. I walk to school. I greet my friend. I greet my friend. I smile happily. I smile happily. I start my day. I start my day.